Johnny Prime here with Frantic TV. I got a very special episode of Around the Hood in 8 minutes for you today. I am in the Riviera Maya in Mexico at the Fairmont Mayakoba Resort with the cake dealer celebrating our anniversary. Got a lot of ground to cover, so buckle up. Here we go. On my way to meet the cake dealer for our anniversary dinner. It's a seafood restaurant. Apparently it's the signature restaurant at this resort. It's called Gaia. Looks really good. A lot of fresh seafood. I took a peek before. I told the cake dealer I'd meet her there. It's up by the beach. I figured I'd take this time to hop on a bike. These little beach cruisers are all around the resort, and ride up to meet her there, and then afterwards it'll be dark, so we'll talk about what we thought about the meal, maybe tomorrow or something, along at the pool or at the beach. But ooh, I got a little bit of a hill here. The resort is beautiful. The place is immaculate. It's probably the nicest of any resort that we've been to. We come down here at least once a year. We've been going to Mexico for vacation basically since we met. If you're not familiar with the area, Riviera Maya, it's basically straight south of Cancun, along the water, along the Gulf of Mexico, and not far from Cozumel. Not far from Playa del Carmen, little town there, on the way halfway down to Lake Tulum. There's a lot of great beach here. The service is incredible. The people are so friendly, so helpful. And there's a lot to do if you're not one of the types of people that likes to hang out at the resort. There's tons of Mayan ruins nearby. There's great towns, cenotes, which are basically underwater caves, freshwater, underwater rivers. They're beautiful. We've done all of that stuff throughout our years here. So now when we come down here, we just kind of like to chill. We both have stressful jobs. So this offers us a way to just kind of unwind. And that's what we're doing for our anniversary. 15 years married. Feels like yesterday. All right, but I'm coming up on the beach, so I'm going to flip the camera around. That way you can see me pull up. All right, here's the stable, and the beach is just right up there. Yeah, it's weird not having to shut off a motor.
Cheers, baby. Happy anniversary.
That's pretty good. I usually don't like champagne, but that's good.
The bread service.
That's so cool.
Butter inside the clam. Celery salt and what else?
Nori.
Lime, lemon, nori.
Oh, wow.
Whoa. That is amazing.
Cheers, we like to give the bread and butter. This one is a sustainable crudo. Sweet potato chips, cancha, which is a pork from Peru. These are the shrimps with cocktail sauce, tartara sauce, and guacamolada, which is an avocado cream. Here we have the chocolate clams with leche de tigre, which is the ceviche juice. This is the blood clam with ponzu sauce and yuzu emulsion.
Okay.
And queen clams with Nikkei sauce and cocktail sauce.
Okay.
Excellent.
I give you this for the empty shots if you need it.
cassoulet. Looks really good. Roasted corn and avocado. Right? Mayan octopus.
That's so pretty.
Yeah, that's beautiful. And then this one.
That's
What was this one?
rockfish.
Rockfish. That looks great. Orchard flavors. Apple crumble on the bottom, right?
And then there's jelly.
Grapes.
Yeah.
Champagne grapes. Textures from Mexico. Vanilla ice cream and chocolate mole balls. What if we just sleep here on this bed at the pool?
Could do that.
All right, let's talk. We started with all the raw stuff, right, and the cold stuff.
Yeah.
So
Clams.
the clams, we tried 3 different clams: chocolate clam, queen's clam, and blood clam. Right? Which was your favorite of those 3?
I think the blood clam was really interesting.
The blood clam.
Texture.
I think I like the queen clam. Was that creamy?
Oh, the sauce. Yeah, that was
Yeah.
really good.
Then we did. There was also Pacific oysters there,
Yes.
and shrimp,
Yes.
and what was it? Ceviche.
Ceviche.
Those were good. Then we moved on to the warm stuff. We did the octopus.
That was delicious.
That was perfectly cooked.
That was the best one.
Yeah. Then there was the cassoulet, seafood cassoulet.
With clams, rock shrimp, fish, and squid.
Right. Yep. And some veg. That was really nice. It
one of
wasn't
my
heavy.
favorites.
I thought it was gonna be heavy because it's creamy, but it was really lightly creamy. And then I think my favorite was
The rockfish.
the rockfish with the olive.
Tapenade.
Yep, that was really good. That was perfectly cooked. And then dessert was cool.
I don't have
Dessert was like, there was like a spicy chocolate mole ball fried,
with ice cream.
and then vanilla ice cream, and it was like you mix it and eat it together, and it was like spicy and sweet. And then the other one was orchard
Yeah.
flavors.
Grapes that were so champagne, so they were
Yeah,
really fizzy.
they were bubbly when you bit them.
and boozy.
Yeah,
And there was a cream, gelatin, there was an
Yeah.
apple crumble,
apple crumble on the bottom, and pears.
pear,
Right.
pear jelly,
Yeah.
and
That was like probably the best food we've ever had on a vacation down here.
yeah.
It's like fine dining, top 5-star, Fairmont Mayakoba. So that's it, we did it. Fairmont Mayakoba in the Riviera Maya, around the hood in 8 minutes, only on Frantic.